How's it going? Now, a couple of days ago, somebody asked me, how do I control my InnoSpot LED Wi-Fis? They have a set of InnoSpot LEDs, which are essentially the same fixture, they're just not Wi-Fi compatible. I use a UC3 remote control because you can do that on this particular fixture. The UC3 remote works on several different ADJ fixtures going back, I don't know, probably 10 years or better. They're starting to phase it out, so you're not going to see it on a lot of the new fixtures. But a lot of the current ones and several of the old ones, this guy is really cool. You can control your lights and not use DMX. It's real simple. I'm going to show you how to use it on these fixtures. Just give you an example. And if you don't know how this works on your light, if your light is UC3 compatible, all you have to do is go to the manual and you'll get a breakdown as to what the buttons do for your fixture. You can do quite a bit actually. You can use it on a single fixture, you can use it on a chain of identical fixtures. So if you're doing a master-slave configuration on moving heads that accept UC3, this is great. Really nice. Simplest function, but the best stuff, the stuff that you really need, you can do right here. Now, you've got a 1/4-inch plug on this side, and it comes with like a 20-foot long cable. This plug goes into your fixture, and here's some of the stuff you can do with it. Alright, so our moving heads are on. They're just kind of doing things. They are in sound active mode. If I put some tunes on, they'll start doing things. Got everything turned down but the bass, because all you need is bass for these things to move around. Now, if I wanted these lights to like pause, I hit the top button one time. This red light comes on, and we're in standby mode. When we come back on, hit it again, and our lights are back on. Now, if I wanted these lights to strobe, all I had to do is hold the middle button down, and I get a strobe. When I release it, the strobe goes off. Now I've hit the bottom button one time, and the light's flashing, and then I start hitting the middle button. What I'm doing is I'm changing the show mode. We're in show 3, show 4, show 1, show 2, show 3, show 4, and over again as many times as I hit the button. Hit that bottom button one more time where we have a solid red light down here. Our sound active is turned off. So now regardless of what's happening with the music, the lights are going to move slow. This is cool for like slow dances and things like that. Now while that's going on, if I hit this middle button, I can change the go-go color. See, every time I hit it, the go-go color changes, or the color wheel changes, or whatever. The color changes of the light. How's that sound? So I hope I helped somebody with this. Again, I'm pretty sure they're phasing this out, but it's a real cool piece. If you've got a fixture that is UC3 compatible, pick one of these guys up. They're not very expensive. They're like 30 bucks, I think. A UC3 controller. They come in a few different forms. There were some wireless ones for a while, but the old tried and true wired version works pretty well, and you really can't screw it up. It doesn't break or anything. It'll last you a good long time. So there you have it. If you got any questions, let me know in the comment section of this video. Practice and enjoy.